All right, I'm going to show how to set up Apollo's new feature around website visitor ID. Pretty excited about this. Been waiting for this from Apollo for a while. The reason is this will allow us to identify what accounts are visiting the website and then use Apollo to and some of the other plays and personas and sequences that we've built to find the right people at those accounts and then reach out to them through outbound. So obviously the best prospects are people that have been on your website, know about you, have shown some intent, and there's some ways here as well to prioritize them based on the different pages within your site that they visited, and then set up some automations to reach out to them if they don't end up filling out a form and things like that. So first thing to do is get this set up and the data flowing in, and then we'll show how we can, some of the things we can do with that data. And just as an aside, like I've been doing this for clients for a while and basically using other providers like Clearbit or Dealfront, and then having to do integrations through either HubSpot or Zapier, and it's kind of like clunky. So this is very excited to test this out. So the first thing we need to do, so we're in here under settings, prospecting, website visitors. I'm going to add my domain. So I'm going to do it with my own website, saasboost.io. And this is important here too. I'm very glad that they have this right in version 1, but basically conditional logic. So a lot of times websites, there are certain high value pages that you want to follow up with, and then certain low value pages that you really don't, that are maybe just high level traffic builders, SEO, whatever, not really much intent. So I kind of have like both of those on my website. But what I want to do here is anyone that hits this page, which is basically we do Apollo setup strategy and manage services and help people get more out of their Apollo.io consulting. Like any company that hits this page that kind of matches our persona, it's a good lead to follow up with potentially. So I'm going to put this in here, this page URL in here, label it as Apollo, put it as high intent. There's a lot eventually that probably you can do with this to, do different personalized follow-up depending upon how you might segment your web traffic. But we'll just start with this for now. So I added that in there. You can see it says script not connected yet. So this is the script that we need to copy. I'm going to copy it here. So my website is in Webflow. If you use Google Tag Manager or I don't know, WordPress or other CMS, you're going to have to figure it out. But basically, we're putting this inside of the head tag. So I put it right here and then save. And then I'm going to publish this site, push the changes live. Give it a second to propagate and get deployed to the CDN. And then let's test it, see if it works. It says connection test complete, domains now updated. All right, so the next step here is going to be to use this data, obviously.